Welcome back to Deck Officer Training. In this video, we will be covering the Maritime Buoyage system. What are navigational aids? Navigational aids, buoys, are any marker that helps mariners determine their position with respect to land, or which guides them safely around newly discovered hazards or hidden danger to navigable water. Buoys were intended to improve safety at sea and help safely navigate through a preferred channel. Lights on buoys are in place for nighttime navigation, and they will vary in color and light sequence. There are 6 types of navigation marks: lateral, cardinal, isolated danger, safe water, emergency wreck, and special. The world is split into 2 regions, A and B. Region A includes Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, the Gulf, and some Asian countries. Region B comprises of North, South, and Central America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. In Region A, the color red of the lateral system is used to mark the port side of channels, and the color green for the starboard side. In Region B, the colors are reversed. Regional variations do not pertain to cardinal, isolated danger markings, safe water marks, or special marks. Light characteristics. During daytime, the identification of aids to navigation is accomplished by observing location, shape, or color. During nighttime, we use the features of the aids to navigation's light to both identify it and ascertain its purpose. There are 3 features to describe the light. Color, either white, red, green, yellow, orange, or blue. If no color is stated in the chart, the default is white. Period. The time in seconds needed for one complete cycle of changes. For example, FL2 10 seconds would be 10 seconds. Phase characteristic. The particular pattern of changes within one complete cycle, hence within one period. Below are the base sequences. Please check out our other video that covers all light sequences for more info. Fixed. This light is always on. Occulting. Total duration of light longer than total duration of darkness. Isophase. Duration of light and darkness equal. Flashing. Less than 50 per minute, and total duration of light shorter than total duration of darkness. Quick. Repetition rate of 50 to 79. Usually either 50 or 60 flashes per minute. Very quick. Repetition rate of 80 to 159. Usually either 100 or 120 flashes per minute. Ultra quick. Repetition rate of 160 or more. Usually either 240 to 300 flashes per minute. Lateral mark. Direction of buoyage. The location of lateral buoys defines the borders of channels, and their characteristics, such as color, shape, light, top mark, or odd/even number, indicate the direction of channels. Region A, red equals port. Region B, red equals STBD. Shape. Lateral marks should be of cylindrical and conical shape. However, where they do not rely on a distinctive shape for identification, they should, where practicable, carry the appropriate top mark. Lights. If lit, red buoys have red lights and green buoys have green lights. Their lights can have any phase characteristic except for group flashing FL2+1, which is specifically reserved for the preferred channel buoys. Numbering. If numbered, they will be numbered from seaward, with higher numbers nearer to the coast/port. The protocol is that green buoys have odd numbers and red ones have even numbers. Preferred channel. Where a channel splits into a major and a minor channel, preferred channel buoys may be used, indicating whether the preferred channel is to starboard or to port. These buoys have both red and green coloring, but the main color is that for the major channel, with the coloring for the minor channel being only a stripe. The light phase characteristic is FL2+1, with the light color from the major channel. Here are the shapes and colors for each region. Cardinal mark. A cardinal mark is used to signify a danger and show where the safe water can be found. For example, the West Cardinal buoy has safe water on its west and the danger on its east side. Shape: black and yellow horizontal bands, pillar or spar. Lights: white light. North: very quick or quick. East: very quick, 3 in 5 seconds, or quick, 3 in 10 seconds. South: very quick, 6 plus long flash in 10 seconds, or quick, 6 plus long flash in 15 seconds. West: very quick, 9 in 10 seconds, or quick, 9 in 15 seconds. Top mark: 2 black cones, with tips pointing towards the black bands on the body of the buoy, or beacon. For example, for a North Cardinal mark, the black band is at the top. As with the isolated danger mark, the top mark is not optional. Safe water mark. These marks are used to make landfall and will therefore be to seaward of all other lateral buoys, guiding you in. A second use is to signify the middle or deepest section of a channel. Shape: red and white vertical stripes. Pillar, spar, but preferably spherical. Lights: white, 4 combinations, Morse A, isophase, occulting or long flash in 10 seconds. Top mark: single red sphere. Isolated danger mark. Isolated danger marks are used to indicate a hazard to shipping, stationed over dangers with navigable water around them. A typical hazard that justifies an isolated danger mark is a solitary rock. Contrastingly, cardinal buoys will indicate a direction away from the danger and are often used for dangers covering larger objects or areas, such as a wreck, shoal, or reef. Shape: black with red horizontal bands, pillar or spar. Light: white, group flashing 2. Top mark: 2 black spheres, not optional. Special marks used to indicate a special area or feature whose nature may be apparent from reference to a chart or other nautical publication. They are not generally intended to mark channels or obstructions where other marks are more suitable. Shape: yellow, any shape not conflicting with lateral marks. Light: yellow, any rhythm other than those used for white lights on cardinal, isolated danger, or safe water marks. Top mark: single yellow X shape. Uses: ocean data acquisition systems, ODAS marks. Traffic separation marks where use of conventional channel marking may cause confusion. Spoil ground marks. Military exercise zone marks. Cable or pipeline marks. Recreation zone marks and boundaries of anchorage areas. Structures such as offshore renewable energy installations. Emergency wreck mark placed as close as possible to a new dangerous wreck. The emergency wreck marking buoy will remain in position until the wreck is well known and has been promulgated in nautical publications. The wreck has been fully surveyed and exact details such as position and least depth above the wreck are known, and a permanent form of marking of the wreck has been carried out. Shape: yellow and blue vertical stripes. Pillar or spar, size dependent on location. Light: alternating occulting blue and yellow in 3 seconds. Blue 1.0 second plus off 0.5 seconds plus yellow 1.0 second plus off 0.5 seconds. Top mark: a standing upright yellow cross. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out some of our other videos here.